What's up guys, it's your boy KC Gardner coming at you with another travel vlog, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is day 3 here in Hong Kong. We're preparing to go to Hongkong Disneyland for real. Because yesterday we were not able to go to Disneyland because we got lost. Yeah. See ya. We made it to Rollercoaster station. To get here, you need to ride the 25M bus. So we are now at Rollercoaster. We'll transfer at Prince Edward, go down at Light King, and then Sunny Bay, then finally Disneyland Resort. We paid about 150 pesos until Disneyland Resort, which is cheap rather than choosing the taxi. Mickey Mouse train! Whoa! Finally, we are at the Mickey Mouse train. We're at Disneyland Resort line. We're going back to Disneyland. Getting ready. Naka Mickey Mouse pa siya.
A few inches later.
And now we're at the magical world of Disney! Woohoo! Iinumin na namin to kasi bawal sa loob. Always keep yourself hydrated, lalo na pag mainit ang panahon. We booked our tickets in Klook. So Klook, baka naman dyan. So mas nakamura kami sa Klook na app. And then also, mas mabilis kasi we don't need to queue in the ticket line. We just need to go straight to the entrance. Just show the barcode, then we're in Hongkong Disneyland. Inside the Mystic Manor. The Grizzly mountain, Grizzly gulch. I brought my grandmother with me. As of now, she does not know yet what the ride is about. Let's see her reaction. Japanese meal, the curry bento, then Fanta, beef brisket. Nice ng curry for $149 Hong Kong. The baked pork and your child is eating
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we ask that you please refrain from eating, drinking the strong Mickey Mouse.
Later, in the void.
We're about to ride the Space Mountain. I know it's going to be dark inside, but I'm going to try to vlog because you can't see anything inside. It's a roller coaster in Gardner. Bye. Yeah, it's actually this time the ride was modified. Obviously, it was better last time when it was completely pitch dark, so you cannot know the turns, the stops. So yeah, well, it's still good though. I believe this is the new attraction of Hongkong Disneyland, the Iron Man experience.
Of transportation. All of us as
So that was actually a 5D theater instead of just the seats moving. It was the whole room moving. Feels like you're actually inside a spaceship.
A few moments later.
Remember, keep yourself hydrated. So I just changed my top because I was already dripping in sweat. It's a small world after all. Yes! So this is one of my favorite rides here. It's the Small World. Tip to those who are traveling with PWDs, senior citizens, your fast pass at the main entrance, so you're not going to queue the long lines for the rides. Pag oily ka na, punas-punas din. Dapat, baon tayong powder. That's sponsored by Mayrai.
Eventually.
It's a quick, very smart tip, basic tip. Never ever leave Hongkong Disneyland at 8 o'clock at the end or as it closes, unless you want to get stuck in the pool of people going home in the MTR. Okay? Okay. Thank you for visiting. Bye-bye.